Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the Karnaugh map, K-map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the problem. Simplify the logic function specified by the truth table using Karnaugh map method. Y is the output variable, A, B and C are the input variables. So we have to we simplify the Boolean expression by Karnaugh map method, K-map method, but here the truth table is given. The expression is not given, the truth table is given. From the truth table we need to simplify the expression. So we need to find the simplified expression. This A, B, C as the input variables, Y is the output variable, right? So based on the truth table, for 0, 0, 0 the output will be 1. For 0, 0, 1 the output is 0. 0, 1, 0 the output is 0. 0, 1, 1 output is 1. 1, 0, 0 output is 1. 1, 0, 1 0. 1, 1, 0 the output is 0. 1, 1, 1 the output will be 1, right? So for the this is the decimal value 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, this minterm. So for the minterm 0, 3, 4 and 7 we got the high output. For other we got the low output, right? For 0, 3, 4 and 7. So we have to mark the this 0, 3, 4, 7 as a 1 in the K map. The other values are 0 in the K map. Now we'll go to the K map. So based on that, so we have the 3 variable K map A, B, C. The A is available, the A is represented in vertical manner. B and C is available in the horizontal manner. A having 2 values, A bar A, that is 0, 1. 2 options 0, 1. Similarly, B, C is the 2 variables, so 4 combinations are available. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. That is B bar C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar. Right? Because of 2 variable we have 4 options are available. So based on the truth table we have to mark the 1 in the K map. For this, based on that, for 0, 3, 4 and 7, these 4 boxes are available with 1 based on the truth table. The other values are zeros, that are marked as zeros, right? So from the truth table, for the minterm value of 0, 3, 4 and 7 are marked as 1. Now we need to simplify this Boolean, simplify the K map. We need to go for a grouping of the cells. So we can group these 2 cells. These ones are available. Similarly, these 2 ones, there is no other option, right? Only option is available. We can group these 2 ones and these 2 ones, right? So while grouping these 2 ones, we have to identify the expression. While grouping these 2 ones, we have to see what is the term available horizontally. So here A bar A is available, both got cancelled. What is the term available in vertically? It is available B bar C bar. So that is written. This is the first term, B bar C bar, right? So while grouping these 2, we have to verify this side A bar A is there, so got cancelled. While verifying the horizontal vertical manner, B bar C bar is available. Similarly, while verifying these 2, while grouping these 2, you have to verify this side. Again, this A bar A is cancelled. While verifying vertical side, what is available? BC. So it is B into C, right? So the 2 terms. This term is due to grouping of these 2 ones. This term is due to grouping of these 2 ones, right? B bar C bar plus BC. We got the final value. So in this problem, the truth table is given. Based on the truth table, it is marked as 1. The remaining are marked as 0. After grouping, by simplification, we got this value.